Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Erica Rose Creates Design Team layout. So we're going to be using this cut file here, which is called a Tropical Wreath. And I'm going to use that. It's tropical, but I'm going to be using it for this birch layout here that I went to with me and my friends. And so there was one part of, there's skylights on either side, and it just shot in crazy horrible sun. So I was in the middle of the room with my sunglasses on, scrapbooking. Yes, and they had to take a picture. So I was all, that's how I sit in my chair. Like even now I'm sitting crisscross applesauce in my chair. Just my thing. So I'm going to use this collection I have from Erica. It is the Echo Park Good to Be Home. I mean, I know I'm not home there, but close enough. Alright, so we have scraps on scraps on scraps on. Who saves that? Rebecca? Oh, that's what I did I remember now. The, rainbow layout. So we're going to use this piece to mat, probably that piece. Go ahead and back the cut file in that one. And then we are nitty-grittying it. So it's going to be like green on green on green on green, huh? That's, I don't know. Let me figure that out. So because that's it. Then there's just nothing but scraps. Right? Yeah. When I say I use this collection, I use this collection, people. Huh. Alright. We're gonna do something a little crazy. This is a very well used collection. So we're gonna go ahead and take a 1/2 inch off there. I think really what I'm trying to do is just make sure that we are able to fit inside of there, because I'm going to do something kind of fun, little savings, right? So let's toss that. I'm gonna hold on to these for now because we're hitting the nitty-gritty there, aren't we? Let's pull these 3. My photo there too. Alright, so what if we mat it in this, mat it in that, and then mat it in that? I think so. Let's try. Let's just go for it. You want to? Alright, so I'm going to put that over there. We're going to put all of this stuff over there for now. Get that, just get it out of my way. So I'm gonna mat this 3 different times. I'm gonna trim the branding strip off. We're gonna back this and we're gonna see what that looks like. And then if it just looks horrid, I'll have to pull in some cardstock or something, right? So we're gonna do that, and we're just gonna trim it right up with. So we don't need to have real big mats because we've got all the little ones, and with these bigger scissors I can just kind of make it work. All right, so, and then we'll do, well, I didn't really plan on that being difficult. We're gonna just use that whole piece because it's an awkwardly shaped piece, and what else are we gonna use it for? So let me go ahead and finish doing this and start matting the photo, or we'll be back. I got a thing, right? All right, so I took some alabaster white ink, did some ink blending behind that, and then splattered some white all over the place because that's fun to do. Where's my photo? Then we're gonna pop that photo right under there. So we're gonna just get it popped in because that's fun. Is it straight? I cannot tell. We're gonna go with it. And it took a minute for it to dry. I actually worked on a whole nother layout. So we've got all kinds of little fun things. So I'll just go through this. Need to fussy cut, not gonna use, but first, family doesn't work. Possibly use that. Where there is family, there is love. Looks like we're gonna be fussy cutting some more. When we have each other, we have everything. Love it. Let's see. Delish just doesn't make sense. Those might work. I don't know, we'll see. I better make a decision on that quick because that glue is gonna dry. So let's just get this popped right in there. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? All right, we're just going to do the best. That one's not gonna matter as much as this one. This one you're actually gonna be able to see the whole thing. That's fun. So, ow, I just stabbed myself. So I'm gonna fussy cut some of these things, and then we're gonna pull in some of this fun. See, like we can get this little sticker. We really just want to come in and go like there. And then this sticker. Let's come there, and we'll build the flowers up on top of that. And then a title. Home is the comfiest place to be. Absolutely magical is what we're gonna do. Figure out where to put that. So stick that there. Do something like that for our title. It's small but mighty. I do want to do another cluster of flowers. So let's just build one there. Oh, there was that absolutely magical. Now I kind of like the tone on tone there. All right, let me do some fussy cutting, and we'll be right back. All right, we've got some stuff going on here. So I'll trim that little piece off there. Now we're going to tuck in these little flowers where we need a pop of, or not these little flowers, these little houses where we just like to have a little pop of color. So let's just pull that one up just a bit. We're just going to pop that guy right there. Tuck this guy. So I am tucking them so you can't really tell that they're a house, which is totally fine. Get this guy popped in there. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. Just to add anything a little. I'm actually kind of digging it the way it is. Let's put a little good stuff documented right there. I don't know why, I just feel like it needs something up there. You guys ever had that feeling? Let's stick this little apple here, but I don't want you to be able to tell it's an apple. I just need the color placement. I actually think that is gonna do it. Maybe we need to bring in some gems. And I think we should do white. So, because we've got so much mixed media and stuff going on, we'll put there, there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like awkward numbers, not awkward, odd. That was awkward for me to say awkward. Okay, some of these get little guys stuck to them and I just don't understand. So we're just gonna start filling in these little dots, going around this way. So check out Erica's shop, see what's in there. It's always fun and new exciting things, cut files, sketches, all the good things that we love. Oh, come on. What else? What else? What else? Check out all the other lovely team members that are on this on the design team. Wow, I'm having words are hard. And actually, at this point, picking up these little guys is looking to be harder than anything. So there we go. And then, what else do I need to tell you guys? What else? So you leave me a comment or question or anything down below, anything you guys want to hear. Join the membership, check out the YouTube hops pages and all those fun little things. That fell like perfectly in there. Subscriptions, Facebook groups, all the funness that we have being content creators. Show some love. Do the thumbs up if you like the video. Oh man. Anybody else see what I just did there? Oh, I stuck that right in there, but that's okay because we'll just put that one right there. This guy will go there. And sometimes I don't always get different sizes. Sometimes they're the same size, but it's okay. So that's just going to add a little bit of something. And honestly, that's going to do it. So let's look at our completed layout. I like that. I just really like that picture of me, so call me biased. So that is going to do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.